Now I want to show you how to organize with folders. So when you first come to Outlook, you'll see that there are some things that are auto set up for you. You should have your folders. It'll have a spot for folders, your inbox, your deleted items. Some other things come pre-set up. However, you may decide you want some other folders. So in my inbox, I have a lot of different folders. And then I have outside of my inbox, I have some other folders. So if I want to create a new folder, I would just go down to create new folder, and I'll just call this um, test folder. So I remember to delete it later. So here we go. My test folder is right here. If I want to drag it around, I can. So I'm going to drag it up here into my inbox. And right now I dragged it right under training, which I don't want it to be. So I want to drag it just under the inbox. And now I have my test folder right here in line with everything else. So you can then drag things in. So anytime you read an email, maybe you want to put it in a particular folder and you can just drag it. So in my focused inbox, I have some things starred that I need. I need to know when the newsletter dates are, but I could also just say, well, I want to put that in the high school folder and it would go there. I'm not going to do that right now, but I could just drag it so you could see how that would happen. Another thing I've just done is I have this in reverse order and I've got some things I need to react to as flagged. So I'll get to them eventually. You can create as many folders as you want if that is something that you enjoy organizing with.